Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn cookies on or off on your Google Chrome web browser. So cookies can be an important part of your browsing experience, such as saving password credentials or your user experience when you go back on to certain pages you've been on before. But if you want to clear them for troubleshooting purposes or you just want to clear them out periodically, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that in the Google Chrome web browser, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So start off by opening up the Chrome browser if it's not already open, and you want to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. Go ahead and left click on that, and you want to select settings near the bottom of this drop down list. You want to select on the left side versus privacy and security, and then you want to select site settings, control what information sites can use and show. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to scroll down on the right side and you want to locate cookies. So cookies and other site data, go ahead and left click on that. And if you want to go ahead and allow all cookies or block cookies in incognito mode, you can. You can also scroll down and see all cookies and site data by selecting this option here. And you can remove certain cookies for different websites by just selecting each individual one, or you can select remove all. If you click the little back arrow, you can make exemptions for certain sites here. So sites that can always use cookies, you can click the add button and then just add the domain of the site you want to always allow cookies. And you can do the inverse for sites that you never want to allow cookie tracking. And you also can have the option to clear cookies for when windows are closed for specific websites as well. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.